During production, efficiency is paramount. After all, there's always a target to be met. So, let's talk about the importance of data in improving efficiency in modern manufacturing. Here we can check availability, performance, the quality of production, as well as spotting bottlenecks that may affect the efficiency of the whole production line. We can also verify the OEE and see exactly where we are in the execution of our plan. Everything looks good here. Production is working fine, so no apparent issues. So, let's see what happens if I stop the production line. We're immediately informed that the line has stopped, but we are also informed that the problem doesn't impact the operation of other equipment. That's how data empowers production. It allows us to eliminate bottlenecks, respond to issues, and helps reduce time wasting. See you next episode.